Hey guys, it's your boy Jawad and welcome to my new video. Today is day 174 in Log for 5 year journey and I hope you are doing well. So today was a great day and today was a very good day, and today I do some completed some task and it is early block, so some task left. So main thing I want to say that uh, it's 2025 and half year is completed and only half year left. Nothing happened, nothing changed, nothing at all, and that's the thing. So my goal is this year was 100k, but I didn't even make a single dollar or cent. I feel very frustrated every day, and sometimes I overthink about that because I only have 4 year left, and you know, like for 5 year journey, 1 year is getting completed and only 4 year left, or like half year will go soon, like one or two in a minute, in a second, like the fastest is going. So I really want to make sure that I can complete it and make my goal come true, which is making 100k in this 2025. Because if I am not in a momentum of achieving it, I can't even do it. Like if I don't even make a 50k, I don't have a confidence that how can I will achieve my goals, like making millions of dollars. How can I create something, build something, or even do something? So that's the thing. And I read books, I gain knowledge, I work on myself, I work on my business, and like that's the kind of thing. I work on my skill as an entrepreneur. I need to do everything that need to be done. I'm doing it, and today I saw a quote which is life is like an ocean. It has up and down both. So that's the thing. I always pray that this year I can make my goal come true or my dream come true, which is making 100k, and making this will give me more confidence than anything. And that's it. Hope you are doing well. And for the early blocks, I can share you about full day. Like it's now 6 p.m. That's why I can't even tell you some everything that I have done, but I will make sure to create blocks in night. And that's it for now. At the end, I will and I do.